Hi everyone, I'm Avantika and I'm going to be showing you how to make a super easy mushroom on toast today. It's something I personally love eating at any time of the day. You can eat it as a wholesome breakfast with a nice poached egg on top, for lunch, for dinner, or even as a quick evening snack. So let's get started with our recipe.
We have 200 grams of mushrooms. We have 2 slices of bread, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of onion, 3 to 4 garlic cloves finely chopped parsley, 1/4 cup of grated cheese. I've used Parmesan, you can use any cheese you like, and salt to taste. So you butter the bread well, and I usually like to heat the bread in the same pan that we've cooked it in because it just gets that nice mushroom smoky flavor.
All of us love burgers, don't we? But they've got a reputation for being fast food, unhealthy, and so on and so forth. So here's the thing. One, we can make our own burgers. And two, let's make the type of burger that you just don't get out there. Mushroom burgers. And if you're a fan of mushrooms, you are going to make this every other day. Are you ready? The first thing we're going to do is remove all the liquid from the mushrooms. Here I have some chopped button mushrooms. These are easily available everywhere. And if the stalks are too fibrous, just remove the stalks and chop them up like I've chopped them over here. And then after that, a little salt. Sprinkle it all over the mushrooms and mix it well. It'll make the mushroom shed all the liquid. और थोड़ी देर बाद हम उसको squeeze करके निकाल देंगे बाहर. That's it. The first thing we'll do is add some boiled and mashed potatoes. You need to make sure that इनमें ज़्यादा पानी नहीं है, नहीं तो the patties will not hold together very well. Now we'll add just a few onions. And now a little garlic. Top that off with some hara dhania and then some dhania powder, followed by some garam masala. A little bit of cheese. You can add more if you like. I like cheese. I'm going to add some more. And then some de-seeded green chilies. And then we'll mix this. As you can see, we've got a nice tight mixture over here with all the flavors that we want. Now let's check if the mushrooms are done. As you can see, पानी निकल रहा है और अभी थोड़ी देर तक शायद निकलेगा भी. Alright, so all we have to do now is take out large handfuls of the mushrooms and squeeze them into this pan over here to take out as much water as we possibly can. Remember, this is a critical part of the process because अगर mushrooms में ज़्यादा पानी रह गया, आपकी पैटी नहीं भुर्जी बनेगी. But don't throw away the water. It's full of mushroom flavor और इसका हम थोड़ी देर बाद यूज करेंगे in our burgers itself. अब हम mushrooms को आलू के मिक्सचर में मिक्स करेंगे. अच्छा, अब इसको थोड़ा और अच्छी तरह बाइंड करने के लिए ताकि ये पैन में टूटे ना, we'll add a little bit of मैदा to it. अब इसको फिर से अच्छे से मिक्स करेंगे. अब जितनी आपको मेहनत लगती है to mix it, all the better, because that means your mixture is nice and tight और आपकी पैटीज पैन में नहीं टूटेंगी. Now we need to make the mushroom patties themselves. So we will take some of this mixture in our hands, shape it into a rough equivalent of a ball, spread a little bit of flour there. Place the patty on it and then shape it like that. And we're ready. Alright, we're done with the toughest parts of the job, mixing the mixture and making the burger patties. And now it's the easy part. Just fry them. But in very little oil, नहीं तो ये सारा जो healthy हम कर रहे हैं ना कोई फायदा नहीं है. My pan is hot and now all I have to do is brush it with a little oil and into that the patties go. But just be careful when picking them up, they shouldn't break, alright? In the meantime, while the patties are cooking, we are going to make a sauce with the mushroom ka pani. Isme all we have to do is bring the mushroom ka pani to a little boil, sprinkle a little maida all around, stir it, and it's done. ये हमारा सॉस बन चुका है. Leave it at this consistency. और जब ये थोड़ा ठंडा हो जाएगा तो गाढ़ा भी हो जाएगा. Okay, now these are done. It's time to make our burgers. And first we put a little bit of mayonnaise on this one. The point of putting some kind of layer like this is so that जब टमाटर और क्यूकम्बर से जो जूस निकलेगा उससे आपके बर्गर का बेस सॉगी ना हो. और आज हम इसमें स्पिनच के पत्ते लगाएंगे. Now I can guarantee कि आपके घर में अगर बच्चे हैं और स्पिनच नहीं खाते हैं उनको पता भी नहीं चलेगा अगर आप उनको बताएं ना. Now if you don't want to increase the height of your burger too much, cut your tomatoes really thin like I have. The tomatoes will still contribute some juiciness. You don't want every time you bite into this burger to be something that everybody starts laughing at, so we'll keep the height of the burger somewhat low, alright? अब इसके ऊपर हम डालेंगे. These soft and succulent patties are full of the most intense mushroom flavor you can imagine. अब इसके ऊपर हम डालेंगे a thin layer of that intensely mushroomy sauce that we made with the mushroom ka pani. अब बर्गर के दूसरे बन पर डालेंगे some mustard. If you don't like too much mustard, तो कम डालिए. If you don't like mustard at all, तो मत डालिए. Put whatever else you want. The point is you should enjoy it. Intensely mushroomy and delicious mushroom burgers which are so good you'd love to have a tall glass of something chilled with it while leaving me a comment on how much you love them.